smarting new blocks.
We just got these awesome magnetic building blocks. Now this comes, there are a handful of different sets you can get. We got the Waterworld set, which is super fun. We have all these little ocean animals to go with it. We have a little instruction thing if you want to build one of their creations. And then we have these awesome cubes. Now these cubes have really detailed looks to them to look like greenery, sand, water, wood,
And sand.
And a light. We have brick walls. We have more types of brick walls. There's doors and windows and stone. These are super strong magnets. They stick together very well. They're not gonna fall apart very easily as you build and create. The pictures on these are printed on. It's not a sticker. These pictures are not gonna come off. So they're on there really well so you can keep those images and those pictures. And these are just super fun to build with your kids. Your kids are absolutely gonna love these, and you're going to love playing with them too. They are a lot of fun.
And I'm just making it up. We're just gonna have some fun. There's a tree right here. Helped set them build a tree the other day. Stick it right in there. And this one, that one goes on top right here. And we've got some windows up here, like that, and then, or those are more like lamps. We should put the lamps like right here, huh? By the front door. Put a window over here maybe.
These are so fun to let your imagination just take wind, and the kids just absolutely love them. They, as you can tell, they hold together really, really well and are super easy to work with.